It's just sexy. It is sexy. Hey Bells, it's Melissa Danielle. I am coming to you in collaboration with Posh Shoppe. I heart PoshShoppe.com. I'm going to put it on the screen here and down below in the description bar. But they're called Posh Shoppe. They've been around forever. And I've been wanting to work with them since I think I started my channel. And here we are. So they sent me a few pieces to review for you guys. This is going to be a short haul. I have two different things. There are going to be more items next time. So don't be in the comments we need more pieces. There are going to be more pieces next time. Anyways, exciting. It is my birthday. So today is February 19th. Hopefully I can get this video edited and up today so you guys can see it today on my actual birthday. But yeah, it's my birthday. Hey. I don't know what I'm going to do because it's what are there to do? But I'm just happy to be alive and to have another day on this earth. And I'm happy that I'm in a good mood. So yeah, it's my birthday and I'm happy about it. Anyways, we're going to get right into these pieces, so let's just jump right into this video. So like I said, they sent me two pieces to show you guys. I am pairing them with stuff that I already own, so that way I can show you guys a completed look rather than just holding up the item, because I don't like doing that. So they sent me two pieces that they chose, so I didn't pick these pieces out. However, I've been wanting this belt for a while, I just haven't got it, and they just happened to send it to me, and I'm so freaking excited about that because I love this belt so much. It's so sexy. So, this is what it looks like. I'm going to link everything down below in the description bar for you guys. It's just sexy. It is sexy. So it's like a vested belt. So it has straps here and it goes around to the back. It's a strap right here down the middle. The straps are adjustable. And then it has a chain link right here in the middle so that you can adjust the waist to your size. And it has studding all over, gold studs. Really cute. My light is right here, so it probably looks really crazy. But this is what it looks like. It's long. It goes all the way down to my ankles. And I'm 5'9". So this is a sexy little number here. I'm pairing it with a dress. You can pair it with a dress, skirt. I was thinking about doing some leather pants too. I think that would be sexy as well. I have some maroon colored leather pants. I was thinking about black, but I was worried the black might blend in too well with each other so you wouldn't see it. It wouldn't make as much of a statement, so I was like, no. But I have some burgundy leather pants. I think it would be really cute with that. I just gotta find a top. That's the hard part, is finding the top. But I was like, hold on, man, I got a leopard print dress that'll be bomb with that. So I put the leopard print dress on and my leopard print shoes, and this outfit is cracking. Okay, it's not cracking, it's cracking. Okay, I love it. This is so sexy, so cute. You can wear it with jeans. You can wear it with some shorts. There is no limit on the versatility except for your imagination. Oh, it got this belt. It's like a one size fits all kind of thing, for plus size girls. Anyway, so this is the next piece they sent me. It is a two-piece pantsuit. So it's like a blazer with pants. This is like a matted down, flattened down sequin suit. I don't know how to describe it. It's not sequins, but it's made to look like sequins, but it's not sequins. It's very shiny and reflective. Super bright and vibrant. I say this is perfect fucking birthday outfit. You can choose whatever color you want to highlight for this outfit. It has pinks, reds, blacks, blues, turquoise, greens, neon green. Girl, there's a lot of stuff going on here. So this is the outfit they sent. So I'm gonna try this one on for you guys next. Okay, so Bells, now we're wearing the suit. I ordered this in a size 2XL. I wear a size 2XL, and it does fit tight. I'm thinking their sizes might be junior sizes, maybe. I don't have enough clothes to tell you a proper idea of their measurements, but this thing is tight in the arms. And you guys know I complain all the time about my arms being big. I have big arms, But this arm feels good, but this one feels tight. I can't get my upper arm all the way through there. And then it closes like that. So bottom button, I'm able to button really good, but when it comes to this top one, over my boobs, I have to stretch it, but it does stretch, thankfully. The pants fit great. When I first put them on, the waist was a little bit tight, but since they stretch, it now fits great. I wouldn't go down in size in my pants. I just wish my jacket was a little bit bigger in the arms. But it's a cute, vibrant suit. And I chose to highlight the neon green color, so I have my neon green bodysuit on, and then some neon green shoes. The pants are cropped, so they're capris or cropped pants, however you want to call them. But yeah, this is cute. It's too small, unfortunately, so I won't be able to wear it today because my arm is oh No. But I'm thinking it's a juniors because it's 2XL. It's not 2X, it's 2XL. And XL tends to be junior sizes. So, I don't know. Anyways, but that's it for this video, you guys. I'm going to be posting up pictures from my birthday photo shoot I did here on my Instagram and Facebook pages. So those are going to be linked down below in the description bar. I'm going to link these pieces down below in the description bar. Thank you so much for tuning in. I love you guys so freaking much. And I'll catch you in the next video. So until then, stay fierce, stay fabulous. Melissa Danielle. Bye.